In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Hostinger domain to your Wix website. Now, it's actually very easy and simple to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure we get it correct. So let's get right into this. Now, what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to go into settings on Wix. So that's down at the bottom here. Then we want to go over to here where it says domains. Then once we're in the domain section, we need to go ahead and put our Hostinger domain in here. So type in your domain, whatever it is. So I'll write mine in. So once you put your domain in, you're going to press the Let's Go button here, and it's going to say, the domain's already taken. Is it yours? You want to press yes, I own this domain. Now, once we've gone ahead and pressed that, it's going to ask you to upgrade your account because you can't do this on the free account. So I'm going to click on the upgrade button here, and it's going to recommend that you pay for the £20 a month plan. This one is not needed. You do not need this one. You can do it on the light plan. The light plan will be enough for you to connect the domain. If you look down here, it says custom domain light check. So we can put it on that one. Click select, and you can do yearly, and that's going to be $7.50 a month. You have to pay for it all at once, or you can just do $10.50 a month, and that's monthly. So we're going to click continue to checkout, and then you need to go ahead and actually purchase the plan. You can use PayPal, you can use credit card, put your details in, and that's the final price. And now we can actually go ahead and finish connecting our domain. Okay, so once you've upgraded your plan and you've actually gone ahead and connected that whatever, you're going to have to go into Hostinger, and you're going to have to change up some of the DNS settings so that you can actually go ahead and connect it. So what you need to do is go into Hostinger, find the domain that you want to use that you've just set up, and click on it or click manage. And it should take you to a page that looks a little bit like this. What we want to do is we need to go over to this bit here, the DNS/name server section. So now once we've done that, it's going to say to us, there's going to be a button here that says I logged in. So you want to click that there. And then you want to click I found my domain settings. And then you're going to want to click I found my name servers all on here. And then we have to go into our DNS or name servers, and we're going to have to change them. So what we want to do is we want to add ourselves some NS records, and to do that we want to go ahead and go on the type, go down to NS, and we need to point it at, and then what we need to use is we need to use this here, that one. So we need to add that, and then we also need to add this one as well, like that. And then once you've added those, you need to go back into Wix and click I have replaced my name servers. And now the work is done. It can take up to 48 hours for the domain to actually register and for it all to be set up. But that's how you basically do it. If you have any problems with this, then you can comment down below and I'll try and help you out with the answers to it. But if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it helped you out so other people can watch the same video and get the same advice. Thank you for watching.